Look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, and it smells like chocolate. I love it. Does anyone else have a favorite eye? This is like my favorite eye. I don't know. So, this... I hate these brushes. You're still cute. Hi guys, welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back after 2 weeks long. I'm finally back on my YouTube. So also guys, I noticed that I have 99 subscribers. 99 subscribers. I am one more close to 100 subscribers. Hopefully by the time I upload this, I have over 100. But I'm so excited. I know my little baby, itsy bitsy baby channel. I'm really excited. Thank you guys for watching me that are watching, and thank you people that are stopping by. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And I am excited. Alright guys, so what I actually am doing a video about today is actually a makeup tutorial. I'm going to be using these Makeup Revolution palettes. So this is the mint chocolate one, and then this one is the chocolate elixir. So this is kind of like the rose gold one and the mint chocolate ones. I'm going to be doing one eye with the mint chocolate palette, and I'm going to be doing this eye, which is the technically the rose gold chocolate elixir palette. So one eye this, one eye that. So that's what I'm going to be doing today on the tutorial, guys. And I have a lippy at the end that I want to talk a little bit about. I'm obsessed with it. I want more of them. That will be at the end of the video. I'm going to head on to the video. You guys already know, if you watch my videos, I'll have my brows on, done, ready to go. So let's get right on to this video. Guys, so I'm back, brows on, concealed, ready to go. So I'm trying to figure out, I'm going to talk through it a little bit, fast forward a little bit, back and forth, you know. So if you guys already know, this one is like, you know, a dupe for somebody. That's the mint chocolate, and then the rose gold chocolate elixir. Yep, that's like modern renaissance. I'm gonna actually dust all over the shade Latte in this palette. I'm gonna put that all over my lid. So I'm starting with my left eye to you guys, but my right eye to me. So this is gonna be the chocolate elixir palette. So I'm just putting that in my crease. Kind of just building up the background. So off the bat, what I'm seeing with this palette's very smooth. To me, has beautiful pigment. These color hues, usually I don't go for the little rosy maroon kind of tones. I like just straight warm. I like straight warm or brown tones, but this is, there's enough little browns and warm tones in here to pop in like a rose or pink. Then I'm going to go in with the shade called Bubblegum. I'm going to go in with the shade Pink Icing. I'm going to go in with a little bit of Sweet. Now, I'm gonna go in there and cut that crease. You guys already know what's up. So I'm actually using NYX's, is it HD? Yep, NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. This is in the shade, I believe, is it tan? Yep, tan brown. That's what I use also too, guys, to just use as a primer. Sometimes I just use the wand and then I get a brush afterwards. So yeah, so that's how I cut it. I just go up. That's just my thing. I like to go up because I like to pull my shimmer and I blend more over it. I'll go back in with Hot Tea. This This is kind of just to mute and set that concealer in place. So off the bat, these shadows are very, very smooth. More of them are matte, which I do like that. I love my shimmers, but sometimes mattes are where it's at, and I can appreciate that. I'm gonna put sugar. That's what I'm gonna put. Sugar. I give them that. Makeup Revolution, their palettes are coming up, I'll tell you that. And their shimmers are very pretty. I'm a very shimmery girl sometimes, and I can appreciate that they are too, you know? I'm going to pull up Pink Icing and dust it. Go back in with Sweet. I'm gonna drag that down there. This was the Chocolate Elixir Rose Gold palette on this eye. Creme Brulee on my brow bone. Second eyeball. This is mint chocolate. Guys, let me tell you, it smells like mint. I'm a fan. This is going to be this eye, so let's move on to it. Now, as you guys can see, this has a lot of brown, has that bright, obnoxious yellow. Oh, I already dug in it, but I'm trying to think, how do I want to do this? I'm thinking halo eye. That's what I'm thinking. Okay, so I'm actually going to go in with Secret. Let's do it. I'm gonna go in there with that green. I'm gonna give it one more try. So this is Poison Ivy. I mean, patchy. Disoriented. I'm gonna put that. There we go. Oh, that's pretty. Now we're getting that halo. And then I'm actually gonna go in with the shade Disturbance. In the inner corner. Oh, look at that. That obnoxious yellow, or yellow gold, is everything. It's so pretty. This is like a dragon's egg. It's so pretty. Like, and then mixing the two foils shimmer colors together are like, they're bomb. It's like a flame. They're so pretty. And then this one, the Chocolate Elixir, is just very romantic, very soft. So I am back. Foundation on, concealer on, leaving it on for a little bit. Just want to make sure it sets all in, and I'm gonna finish the rest of my face. So I will be fast forwarding through the rest of this, even though you've already seen my foundation routine. I pretty much use. I have got another booty blender. I'm gonna go in with Maybelline's in Medium Deep, their Fit Me setting powder. This is my Lancome Click and Glow highlighter. Keep it as can. Alright guys, so I am back. Full face already done. Last thing, last but not least, I actually picked up this cute buddy. L'Oreal's Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is in 856, 70% Yum. These are the chocolate scented lipsticks. Chocolate! I literally walked by it and I like reversed back and I was like, oh, no. I said, please no, please no. And I opened and smelled it. I was like, oh, chocolate, dang it, gotta buy it. So this buddy I picked up at my local Target. My lovely Target as usual. And I love it. It goes with actually, yeah, let me just get into it. This is the lashes I actually popped on today, guys. These are from Kiss Blowout Lash Collection. This is the Beehive style. So, yeah. Move on to the lip. This thing, oh, straight up chocolate. Teardrop little applicator. Very strong scented in chocolate. Like, look at it. It's so freaking pretty. Okay, so let me clean it up real quick, guys. Because you know I got to. Okay, guys. So this is my video for the day. I did my 2 different looks. Truthfully, my favorite palette out of both of the Makeup Revolution new chocolate palettes. The mint chocolate and rose gold. This one is the rose gold one. This one right over here. And then this one's the mint chocolate one. The halo. And then cut crease. Truthfully, this one is a more everyday palette. I think it's beautiful. The colors are very, very pigmented off the bat. They're beautiful. This one is when you kind of want to go out, you want to play, you want to make a different look. It's very fun. It's minty. It really smells minty. It's really, really cute. This one, like I said, you don't wear this one every day necessarily. There's a few shades in there that you can, but this one you definitely can. So work related and everything. So, and then this lip, I mean, you can wear it whatever you want, but like, it smells, smell like chocolate. Every time I'm talking, I smell chocolate, and then have chocolate bars. Ha! But yeah, I love this look. That is my video today over the Makeup Revolution Rose Gold Chocolate Elixir and the Mint Chocolate Palette, and even L'Oreal's Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick and 70% Yum, the chocolate collection. So that is my review and kind of testing it out, telling you which eye I feel like it's better, work related or not. These are both fun to play with. They are very pigmented, both of them, for the price. And yeah, guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things, and do not forget to hit that notification button. You thought I forgot, but I didn't. Thanks for watching Nelly Doing Things. Stay tuned, there's more videos coming up soon right after this. So bye, guys.